everybody, we're back. It's been like a month since we were out in the garage. We had a bunch of stuff to do. And as you can see, we got some goodies in.
Yeah, it's like all the stuff that we need is in this big pile right here.
Pretty much. We have most everything we need here to reassemble all the stuff we disassembled in the last video. So we are going to have a little unboxing ceremony. Everybody loves an unboxing on the internet, right?
Apparently so.
Yeah, it's a popular thing. So we're going to get into this here in just a minute. So check out this pile of goodies, and we're going to get into it right now.
Yep.
All right, we're going to start with the littlest. I'm going to guess that this is the
paper seal.
The oil seal, no, the little rubber oil seal that goes behind the balancer.
The paper seal was for the thermostat.
Yeah, the thermostat and the water pump both have paper gaskets. Yeah. This is more like a rubber. Can I get in there?
What? Yeah. Pocket knives are very, very useful.
They are.
And you also never know when you need one.
This packaging is goofy.
Not very good.
Here we go.
There. Wrapped in some sort of stuff. Yeah, there it is. Looks like a rubber gasket.
There it is.
Yep. Little rubber disc.
Yeah, very similar to the one that came off of it. Looks just like it. So,
yep.
One down.
What is this?
That's just the invoice. You know, the packing list. It shows what's in there. What's
Z
this?
Car Depot.
Yep. Yeah, front oil seal engine. OEM, that means original equipment manufacturer.
Cool.
So it's just like factory style. Okay. Next up, this is an important one. You may remember that in the last video, we took the harmonic balancer with the pulleys off of there.
And it happened to be broken.
Yeah, the collar on the back of it where it attaches to the snout on the crankshaft was broken. And so we were forced to find a used one and then have it rebuilt. So there was one of the Z-Car forum people that we were on was nice enough to sell us a balancer for a very reasonable price, and we shipped it off to Damper Doctor in California. What town was that? Redding, California. And they rebuilt it real fast, by the way. I mean, if you need to have the service done, these guys did it extremely quickly.
It's like only a matter of days before we got back. They expected
we
like
sent it to
3
them.
weeks.
And yeah.
Something like that.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh.
Box within a box.
It's like when you open a Christmas present and it's another box. It's like, yay, I got a box for Christmas. Packing list enclosed. Don't really need it. Packed very, very securely.
Well, that's good. You don't want to get banged up and shit. Woo,
hey.
Boy.
That is very clean.
That looks like brand spanking new. Look at that. They unbolted the bolt-on and looks like they blasted.
The first cardboard I've ever touched, and my hand is not covered in grease.
Right. Well, it looks like they blasted this with some sort of media, and then I don't know if they powder coated or painted it.
Yeah, because before it was like silver. Now it's like,
it had some blue on it, and some silver, and some rust.
Yeah.
Some corrosion. This looks very good.
It looks like brand new.
I'm gonna come over.
You're gonna have to come up for every single one of these.
Look at this.
It looks like
Very nice.
non-greasy.
New hardware.
Got the little bolts in it.
That's all brand new.
Yeah.
Look at that. Very nicely done, Damper Doctor. This looks very, very good. So, that's an unsolicited testimonial for Damper Doctor.
Yep.
Redding,
We suggest.
California. Go ahead and put this back in the padding here. Keep it safe until we want to use it.
Next one.
Next goodies.
Can I open this up?
Okay, go ahead.
Kind of hard to get it started.
Okay, don't push the knife too far into the package. You don't want to cut what's inside it. There you go. And then wash your fingers. This knife could be a little sharper, actually.
It's better to get cut with a sharp knife than a dull.
Yeah.
It's way more.
Well, if you use a sharp knife, you're less likely to get cut. It's struggling against the dullness that gets
Yeah.
you cut most of the time.
Also, it hurts more because it's more
It's
jagged.
raggedy, yeah. Here are our, what are
Our
these?
tubes.
What are these for?
I think they're for the radiator connecting.
Top
thing.
and bottom radiator hoses in this box.
Kind of forgot. It's been so
It's
long.
been a minute, hasn't it? Yeah. And what else is in this one here? This box you don't have to cut open. We
It's just like a little.
can find
Find a little.
find where it
tab.
opens. Yeah, here, is this it? Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, there we go.
Chinese puzzle. There it is. Oh, it's upside down. Oh,
Ooh.
remember what this guy is? Our other one was very, very dirty.
Oh yeah, this balancer.
No,
It's
we already had the balancer.
That's the fan clutch.
It's the fan clutch, and look how
I remember
shiny.
taking it off.
Look how shiny
That's
it is.
brand new one.
Yeah, this is brand spanking new. This is just made. This is not a used part.
Yep.
You can see the little coil there.
Yep.
All right.
What's on the other one?
Okay. All right. So what's next? Dun dun dun. You gonna cut it? So again, be careful not to put the blade in too far. Hey, 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 easy. See if there's something in there. Cut it. Saw a little bit.
Oh, that one just tore off.
There you go. Okay. Oh,
Ooh, water pump.
water pump. I said, now I ordered a Gates water pump, and this is not a Gates water
A
pump.
belt.
Yeah. Yep, that's a fan belt. Is that all that's in this whole big box? No, wait.
There's one more little thing. What's that?
Oh, I bet I know what that is.
What?
What does it say?
Oh, thermostat.
Thermostat.
It took me a minute to find it. Very tiny test. Thanks. Yep.
This is a high flow thermostat.
You can tell.
Now, I ordered this stuff here, and I ordered a Gates brand water pump, and this is an Asen brand. But I'm going to go ahead and guess that it'll probably do the job just as well. So can't be too mad. Ah, here. There's that filled
Let's hope it's not made by Frank.
the gasket. He already knows. Here it is. This looks just like our other one.
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
remember how the other one was,
Oh, yeah, it was like-
was really stiff?
It was hard to
Look at that
turn.
one, man. That just. This one, even inside the plastic here, you could tell that our old water pump
Let's open it open.
was stiff.
I bet you could spin and go.
Yeah, when we get out to the garage, we'll have to A-B these, you know what I mean? Test them against each other.
Like
But
all of them. Look at that. It actually has.
look how nice and clean that is, too. The impeller blades are all very, actually a little sharp even. Careful.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. This looks good. And like I say, here's the little gasket, and it's got the little studs here. Okay.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Let's check out this.
Okay, hold on a second here now. Put this all back. I'm gonna put this in the box with this other stuff.
Here's
Yeah, thanks. And the belt.
and the belt.
Okay, now we've got.
The final and biggest box. I'm guessing this is the radiator.
I can't imagine what else would be this shape.
And that big.
Let me have that knife, so I'm gonna cut this.
Yes. Oh, really big. It's got straps that happen to be taped in. That's like double whammy.
Yeah, well, this kind of strapping material is extremely strong. It's hard to break it. It's useful for if you really want something to be.
Which makes sense.
Secured.
Because it's a fragile car part.
Yeah, you don't want this to get banged up.
No.
You don't want to mash up all your
up the
fins and
radiator.
stuff. Exactly.
Huh. That's very, very secure. Da-da-da-da. A lot of styrofoam.
Like I say, you don't want to get all your fins here mashed. Look at that.
Oh, these ones right in this row. A little more.
Oh, just got a little dent there. That's not
Oh,
so bad.
a little silver.
Yeah, it's not.
It's
Looks
very
good.
nice.
Looks really good. Aluminum radiator, brand spanking new. It's definitely be better than the cruddy one that we took out of there. Yeah, I'm into it, dude. I think this looks really good. Really, that's every single thing that we need to put all this stuff back together, except for one thing, which is this little woodruff key.
Oh yeah.
This teeny little guy right here. Which we need to get one. And I was at a parts store yesterday, but I neglected to bring this one with me, and they had a hard time looking it up in their catalog. So we're going to take this today to local hardware and parts stores, and I bet somebody in town has this. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to get out in the garage and get grubby and start putting this damn car back together.
Yay!
You ready for that?
Yes.
High five.
Finally.
Let's do it. Well, all right, we're back out here in the garage for the first time in forever.
Back up all these leaves.
And we're breaking in our brand new shop vac. Finally. Yeah. Get in there, kid. Took all that crap up out of there. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get in there. Not that. All right, our first order of business is going to be trying to pull out this oil seal out of there. Let's see if I can. Give me that screwdriver there. Let's see if I can. Maybe you might have to. We might have to get behind it, pull it out, and we'll see. That wasn't so tough. All right. Well, as you can see here, behind the rubber seal, this unit here is all mashed up in there. What in the actual heck is going on here? You can get it off. It's all mangled. Look at that.
What is that thing?
Well, it's, I don't know what you call this part actually.
There's such thing as Google.
Yeah, well, we'll find out, believe me. I can tell you right now, it's not supposed to look like that. Oh, well, you can see this is all banged up and mashed.
But we have absolutely no idea what the heck it is. Or what it does.
The issue I'm having right now, I'm wondering about is...
Are we going to have to order?
Oh, I see. This gear on the side there
Turns
probably drives the oil pump.
Ah.
I bet. Now let's see how that gear meshes with
Yeah, it fits perfectly so we can turn it on.
and you see the chain in there? Look on the...
Oh, I see it. It's like
That drives.
engine jets.
That drives the cam up here, I guess. Look at that.
We're going to see more of this kind of stuff.
Yep. There's
Engine jets.
there's inside your engine, kid.
Yep.
What do you think of that?
Pretty cool.
Well, a byproduct of our old harmonic balancer going to poop, apparently, is our oil thrower is all mashed. I have to wonder, whoever assembled this engine last, I got a feeling that maybe they goofed up somehow when they were putting this balancer on. I don't know, maybe they hammered it on because they chewed up the woodruff key and cracked the collar that it goes over the crankshaft snout, and now I'm finding this in there. But the upside is the crankshaft itself does not look like it's scratched up or skinned up or chewed up. Everything inside looks like it ought to, as far as I can tell. So we just ordered one of these. We thought we had everything we needed to maybe get this thing buttoned up today. We were looking at a long day out here in the garage, but maybe being able to fire it back up. But looks like we found a new old stock OEM one of these, $8 after shipping. So supposed to be here by Friday. Today's Sunday, so in the meantime, we still have the water pump put that together. We got some cleaning and stuff we can do, so we're gonna do that. Here Nash is scraping off the old water pump gasket, and we're gonna clean that like lickety split. We're gonna make it clean as a whistle. Yeah, well, that's the old cruddy water pump gasket on there. That I don't know, that might have been the pump that came with this car, and which, if that's the case, it's nearly as old as I am, so. And that's old.
Yeah, right.
Hey now.
Yeah.
Okay, we have been tidying up here where the new water pump was going to go on. We had some little mineral buildup inside there from old water. You know, they always tell you to use distilled water in your radiator. No one ever does, as far as I can tell. Anyway, that's looking a lot cleaner. And we're about to put on this new water pump. How you like them apples? What do you think, kid?
Pretty good.
Okay, we have put some water pump and thermostat gasket maker on this. I would have used just the paper gasket, but this mating surface is a little pitted with time. I even hit it with a little bit of some fine sandpaper, but I think maybe this silicone will do a better job of actually filling in all those little teeny divots in there. So we'll see how it goes here. I'm gonna try to get it on straight. Just like that. Okay, let's start putting in the bolts. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put these in finger tight and then let it sit for an hour for that stuff to cure out a little bit, and then we'll tighten them down, torque them down like they're supposed to be. Another issue we're having here is when we opened up the thermostat, we broke one of the bolts, had twisted right off of it, and that bastard does not want to come out. So I've hit it with some penetrating oil. I'm just going to let it sit for a while, and I put some vice grips on it today, and this is like no dice. So I'm just going to keep hitting it with more of this liquid wrench biz. This is not a sponsored ad or sponsored content, but hopefully that'll help ease that puppy out of there. We're gonna have a few days before we get this oil slinger in. Oil thrower, yeah, same deal. So anyway, yeah, this little. It's too close. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. We got one of those on order now, so.
It was right down in there.
It is. So what happened next was that an hour after putting on the water pump and just snugging it on there, Dad here went out and to torque them down proper, and one of them broke off down inside the block. It started a whole other series of unfortunate events. So we're putting this video up today. It doesn't have as much stuff in it as we'd hoped, but you know, we're hoping to get back out in the garage this weekend. It's cooling off here in Kansas, and you know, we got school and everything, but soccer's over now. We have more free time. Hoping to get out there and maybe really make some progress this weekend, put some of this stuff back together. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.